baby packed her stuff up, she didn't even say goodbye. I never seen her leave me coming till she's out of sight. And now this working all week long just to keep the heat on, lying in a lonely bed. It sure gets so big cold, think I'll go get this old heartache out of my head. I'm going back, getting out of my mind. I'm back to getting stoned to the bone, doing wrong and doing it right. Yeah, no more, no fun, I'm done walking the line. I'm going back to getting out of my mind. Well, I ain't no stranger to going out and laying it down. I was a king of honky-tonkin' long before you come around. And now them pretty little put-on smile take me for a little while. Honey, I was good with laying low, but since you left, hell, I guess it'd be better if I let your lonesome memory go. I'm going back, getting out of my mind. Back to getting stoned to the bone, doing wrong and doing it right. Yeah, no more, no fun, I'm done walking the line. Honey, I'm going back to getting out of my mind. I'm going back, getting out of my mind. Back to getting stoned to the bone, doing wrong and doing it right. Yeah, no more, no fun, I'm done walking the line. Honey, I'm going back to getting out of my mind. I'm going back to getting out of my mind.
Let's learn Out of My Mind. It's choreographed by Rob Fowler, Kate Sala, Guillaume and Darren Bailey. It is a 32 count 4-wall beginner level line dance with tags on the ends of walls 2 and 6. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tags and where they happen, and then we're going to go through and dance 7 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Out of My Mind. Section 1, your beat's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a right shoot into the diagonal. So you're going to step your right foot forward into the right diagonal. Bring your left foot into your right. Step your right foot forward into the diagonal and touch your left next to your right. We're now going to step our left foot back into the left back diagonal. Touch your right next to your left and clap your hands. We're going to step our right foot back into the right back diagonal. Touch your left next to your right and clap your hands. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left doing your shoot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to repeat what we just did, but with our left. So you're going to do a shoot into the left diagonal, stepping your left foot forward into the left diagonal. Bring your right foot into your left. Step your left foot forward into the diagonal. Touch your right next to your left. We're now going to step our right foot back into the right back diagonal. Touch your left next to your right. Clap your hands. Step your left foot back into the left back diagonal. Touch your right next to your left. Clap your hands. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right doing your left shoot. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do a grapevine with a close. So you're going to step your right foot to the right side, cross your left behind your right, step your right foot to the right side, and then close your left foot next to your right. We're now going to come up on the balls of both feet. We're going to swivel both heels to the left, both heels to the right, both heels to the left, and then both heels center, taking weight onto your right foot. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your grapevine. So it's 1, 2, 3 together, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a grapevine quarter turn with a brush. So you're going to step your left foot to the left side, cross your right behind your left. Make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 9 o'clock, and then you're going to brush the ball of your right foot forward. We're now going to do a right rocking chair, so you're going to rock forward with your right foot, recover back onto your left, rock back with your right foot, recover forward on your left. And you want to make sure that when you recover, your weight is over your left foot so that you can travel forward with the right. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right, doing your grapevine quarter turn. 1, 2, 3, brush, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your shoot. So it's right shoot, diagonal together, diagonal touch, back diagonal, touch and clap, back diagonal, touch and clap. Now your left shoot. Left diagonal together, left diagonal touch, back diagonal touch, back diagonal touch. Grapevine with it together. Swivel, 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 center. Grapevine quarter turn with a brush, right rocking chair. So let's face the front, try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your shoot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's talk about the tags. The tags are going to happen on the ends of walls 2 and 6. So both times we do them, you will be facing the 6 o'clock wall and you're going to do the same exact tag. So all you're going to do is stomp right, left, and you're going to stomp them out to the side. So you're going to stomp right, stomp left. You want your feet about shoulder width apart, and then you're going to clap your hands twice, and that is the whole tag. So let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're stomping right, left. So it's stomp 1, stomp 2, clap 3, 4. And that is what you'll do on the ends of walls 2 and 6. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 7 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from the tags into their next walls. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your shoot step. So it's right diagonal together, right diagonal touch, back diagonal touch and clap, back diagonal touch and clap. Left diagonal together, left diagonal touch, back diagonal touch and clap, back diagonal touch and clap. Grapevine step together, twist, 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 center. Grapevine quarter turn with a brush, rocking chair, start over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do your tag, stomp, stomp, clap, clap, start over, shoot with the right, back diagonal touch, shoot with the left, back diagonal touch, grapevine step together, twist, 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 center, grapevine quarter turn, brush, rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right diagonal shoot, back diagonal touch, left diagonal shoot, back diagonal touch, grapevine together, twist, 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 center, grapevine quarter turn, brush, rocking chair, start over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do your tag. 1, 2, 3, 4. Start over. Right diagonal shoot. Back diagonal touch. Back diagonal touch. Left diagonal shoot. Back diagonal touch. Back diagonal touch. Grapevine together. twist, 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 center, grapevine, quarter turn, front, rocking chair. And then you will dance through until the end of the song. Now, technically it does end facing the side. All I did was do my left diagonal shoot, and then I just did my touches so they turned to the front, and then I stepped to the side. So if you would like to do that, you can. There is no ending listed on the step sheet, so that is kind of a nice natural way to end facing 12 o'clock if you would like to. So now that you've learned about the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below. Skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Out of My Mind. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Well, baby, back